Good evening, guys. Welcome to my channel. My name is BTC. I am watching the jumper. Tonight, I want us to talk about the long anticipated run, what we're expecting, and possibly the best one for us to get into the market and the best moment for us to exit the market. As you all know, Bitcoin has been making some higher highs recently, and coupled with a lot of news that have surrounded the market, has really been helping to push Bitcoin. This has actually given rise to a lot of people asking whether is the bull run finally here, or are we to expect another bull run, or are we already the bull run? I would like to answer some of this question tonight, and I also like to share my own view and my own opinion on what you should be expecting and what is likely to happen. Remember, this is not financial advice. I'm just here to share my own knowledge and what I think about the market. Okay, without wasting much of time, let's get down to business. Okay, as you can see from my screen, this is the chart of the Bitcoin charts. Surely I trade Bitcoin, as you guys can see, and I will like to be using a different chart so that it will be more cleaner for us to understand what is really happening in the Bitcoin. Okay, let's pick this Binance and look at it. Now, as you guys can see, this is Bitcoin on 15-minute time frame. Let's get down to daily time frame.
Looking at Bitcoin from a daily time frame, Bitcoin has maintained the range, or rather has been ranging between 58K to the previous time, which was 73,000. What I mean the range is what I mean here, and this range has been more like a channel, or rather it has been more like a bear flag. This is a channel here, and some people will be asking why don't you draw it down to this point and blah blah blah. Remember when I told you guys my brother that I don't draw from closing of a I don't draw from the wick of a candlestick. I only draw from the closing of the candle body. As you can see, it has been ranging within this channel, and the range is like more like a bay flag. And for the basic know you know about a bay flag is when you have a trend that is trending up. For there to have a pullback or within the pullback range, it will make a ranging as if it's going down like a flag, just like the way the flag is ranging down like a flag. Then how do you know when a bear flag is about to break out? It will break out of that channel. This is the channel here, and we already have the breakout. This is the breakout here. Let me take it down. This is the breakout we're talking about. It has made a breakout of this place, out of this point. And this is currently the retest of that breakout. As you can see, it has actually broken out of the bear flag. It has seen the bear flag, and it has currently retested the bear flag. So now we are now having a full upward trend. Now, looking at this upward trend that we are talking about now, for us to know that we're actually, or for the bull run to officially begun, we need a break of this previous high. This is the previous high, which is the 53,000. And obviously, when you get to this previous high region, we are going to experience what they call a resistance. Because this place now has is a very solid resistance, and there is always a sell liquidity above this resistance. So obviously, we are going to experience a sell off, which is likely to look like something like this, and before it now go official. So for those asking me about if the bull run is here, obviously the bull run is here. For us to once we have had this break of the channel, we actually in an upward trend, and the upward trend is actually initiated. So and it's actually maintained a series of higher high. This is on higher time frame. This is on daily time frame rather. Then if you go down to a 4 hours time frame for us to see this a more clear and more obvious, you look at it on 4 hour time frame, it has maintained this visible upward trend. This is the visible upward trend there. This is the previous low. This is the previous after the previous low or the lower high, and this is the current lower high. Now, and this is currently the higher high. This previous high before the high. Then this is high after the high. Sorry, this is the high before the high, and also the high before the change of, or rather the break of structure, or the change of character, whatever you call it. So obviously, Bitcoin has actually engaged on a an upward trend, and officially the bull has kicked out. Now, for us to get into this market now, let's talk about how do we want to get in. What we have to do is, just like I told you guys, you don't have to follow in right now. You just have to have a patience. And because I told you guys, no matter what, whether I like it or not, at this 63K, we have a sea of sell liquidity. Sorry, guys. At this stage, you have a sea of sell liquidity, which is likely to be test or it's likely to tap in before it will continue the upward movement. So for this bull run to be valid, we are likely to have something like this. We are likely to have something like this. Get to this point, sweep that liquidity, come down. If not here, it come down within this range and now have a rejection to the upward side, and obviously we now have a full blown bull run. So this is I'm looking at this thing from a 1 hour time frame. So if I'm advising you to trade this Bitcoin now or to get into the or to ride the trend rather, as long as you're trading from the you're trading from the futures market or forex or wherever you're trading from, as long as it's not spot, because it's spot, obviously you would have been holding your Bitcoin by now. But if you are trading from the futures and want to make a perfect ride of it, then I would advise you to wait for it to come into this zone. Whether I like it or not, it will definitely come into this zone here or somewhere down here. Though it's more likely to come into this down here, which is within the range of 60, within the range of within the range of 66K to 65K, and sweep the final liquidity that's been left before it will officially kick off. So this is just basically what Bitcoin is likely to do. And as you can see, the it's currently progressing to the 73K. And I will advise you one thing, I don't know how to tell you guys. If you really want to trade Bitcoin right now, this is a full blown trend. And for you to know how a full blown trend is about to have a pullback or reversal, at this point, do not, if you want to short it down to this place, do not just enter short because you saw an engulfing candle. No, 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 don't. I will advise you wait for have something like this. A full blown double top. Then when you get to this region, then you cannot get in, whether with a candle close or any particular short pattern you want to get in with. You can get in with it. But for you to short it down to this point, please do not short with, don't just short with a normal candlestick. No, no, no. Wait for it to make a sharp pattern. Wait for it to make a sharp pattern. Short it to with a sharp pattern because it might even, it's likely to break above this 73K. It might even range up to 75K before it will not make a valid sharp pattern. Now put down to this 68K region, 66K region, and start going up. So don't just go and short it from the 73K and hope that it's gonna short. No, 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 don't make that mistake. This mistake that most amateur make. So just hold on and watch, wait for it to make a valid sharp pattern at this region, at that region, which is say 73K and above. It breaks the valid chart pattern, then wait for it. Close on the chart pattern, then you can now go your shots. If you don't know the meaning of chart pattern, I will advise you can read up chart pattern. So I will advise you to wait for it to make a valid chart pattern to the downside, then short it down to 60, 68, 67, 66K region. Then from there, whatever any candlestick pattern it gives you, you can take off from that place. So this is just basically all on Bitcoin, and I want to thank you so much. And in case if you're not subscribed to my channel, I will advise I will plead that you please do it to subscribe and also like the video and also share so I can get to others. And that is the only way you can be able to encourage me for continuing the video. I trade forex and I know a lot of value money forex too. I too also lose. We don't know each other. Nobody can know each other. So I do lose. That's why I will always share my trade. Whenever I trade, I share it here live. So for those who are interested, can also join me trade. So if you really want to trade with me, you can also join my trade and also stay live with me. You can also reach out to me on WhatsApp. You can also send me my signal. So thank you so much and I really appreciate it. Enjoy your day.